Bing, bloop, bloop. Hi, we're Denise and Reed, and this week we pick back up on the northern coast of Oregon with a few friends. Together we hike to the tallest Sitka tree in Oregon. That's a big tree. And later eat some of the best seafood on the coast. Come along, this is going to be fun. Let's go!
Good morning. We slept here at a trailhead last night and we were rudely awakened to construction at like 6 a.m. So it wasn't too early, but it got us up, made some coffee, and now, since we're at this trailhead, I'm gonna take Bella for a walk. There's supposed to be like a little secret beach, and I'm not really sure what's out here, but there is a lighthouse down the road, so I'm sure there's some other cool things around here as well. It looks like a pretty primitive trail just from the start of the trailhead, so I'm excited. Let's go take Bella for a little walk. What do you think, Belle? Oh, you're laying down. Are you ready for a walk, Bella, or are you gonna take a second nap? We're still gonna go for a walk. Oi.
Hey! Wait for me. I'm coming too. I'm coming, y'all. We're gonna go on this hike together. Let's go. Look who's joining us. It's a puppy party now.
Puppy party.
Puppy party.
Say hello to my little friend.
The tree. Hi, Bella. That's a big tree. Right there.
That branch is crazy. It's like a own separate tree. That's so cool.
144 feet tall.
Yeah, and almost 800 years old.
That's unreal.
Yeah, seriously. Those
I
like
think it's
1200.
so cool when we get to be in a place where you acknowledge the history of a place. You can tell it's a tree because of the way it is. Anyone get that reference? Let's go.
You can tell it's a spruce tree because of the way it is.
Oh yeah. Remember we don't have boys. Last night I go to Rita. Sorry, I don't have boys.
Okay.
So classic. We are right back where we started.
Where I'm gonna put it.
Well, her
Shower, like in my room.
Yeah.
You're supernova. You're so
Supernova.
To the lighthouse we go. Let's go check it out. This area has so much to offer, so much to do. We're gonna check out this lighthouse now over here. We saw an old 800-year-old spruce tree. You're gonna see a lighthouse, octopus tree, and then we got something that we're very excited about, some seafood later at Kellys Marina. So we are living it up. We're living our best coast life right now. We're only in the coast for such a limited amount of time. We have to soak it all in and do all the coastal things, like sit and watch this fog. Woo. This fog is rolling in fast. I wish you could see how fast it's moving. Look at this fog.
It just comes in. What a beautiful lighthouse.
Pancake arm at the base, and then that's probably the biggest arm. There's no central trunk either.
It really does look like an octopus. Kellys Marina, and we're about to go get some really good seafood. Let's go.
Don't forget me.
Come on. We're leaving y'all. Just kidding. We're not actually leaving you.
You're a sweetheart.
Hey, Jonah, Mama, be right. Why am I so obsessed with this hat? I like to literally put this hat for the rest of my life. Just look how chill.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at this. I'm so happy that you recommended this. Like,
We ain't messing around.
Alright.
Welcome to Kellys Marina, the best place in all the land.
Oh yes. So happy.
I've already started, but
pull your sleeves up, my hair out of my face, and let's go.
Yes.
Cheers a clam.
Cheers a clam.
two in that one.
Bloop, bloop, bloop,
We
bloop.
got 2 in 1 there.
Double whammy.
Got some sand in here.
She cheated.
Yes.
So you guys just want to camp out here and eat this every day?
Every day.
Every single day. Oh my gosh. For the hard parts that you can't get into.
How do you get
He
the?
like cracks it with his mouth. I don't know how he does.
How do you get the stuff inside there?
Yeah, you can't be scared to like slurp it out.
Okay.
Yeah,
This is the best day of my life.
Give it to me.
Yeah.
Cheers.
That's your big one.
Grab a leg. Cheers.
Bing. Bloop, bloop.
Thought that the meat was gonna come out.
It's like a mukbang right now. Satisfied.
Love it. I'm definitely shocked.
So good.
So Randy and her family took over the campground and this beautiful restaurant, and I'm so glad we got to meet you.
I'm so glad I got to meet you guys too.
This is awesome. You have to come here if you're in the area. This place is really special, and I can tell that you're passionate about bringing people together, and that's important.
For sure.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Worth a visit.
Yeah. Best seafood on the Oregon coast.
Cool. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, thank you.
I don't know if we've clarified yet, but Kellys Marina has a campground as well as amazing seafood. So right here, I don't know how many spots there are. Well, we've got like 20 hookup spots, and then we have tent camping further behind. So you can rent boats, you can go fishing, you can camp here, you can eat clams, mussels, and Dungeness crab. It's a great spot.
And if you camped here, this would be the view you get from your campsite. We're coming back, without a doubt. We're definitely coming back here.
Bye.
Bye.
Hugs. You guys are the best. Thanks for hanging.
I just did both. Alright, so this is where we're gonna leave you. We are exhausted. Reed just powered through 4 hours, I think 4.5 hours of driving, and we've made it to Bend, Oregon once again. Tune in next week. We'll see you there. Love y'all. Hoodie dance, new hoodie dance. Who this? Got no hoodies, who this?
That was great.
High fives.
Oh.
Yeah.
You like the water? You like the water, my love?
I think we might need to move in.
Yeah, I think so.
But unfortunately, we have somewhere to be. So we're gonna fill up water and we're gonna get the heck out of here.
Till next time.
Till next time.